Hello, and I'm Keisha Kirby, and today I am going to demonstrate to you the State Board Cosmetology Soft Wax Removal for the eyebrow. You will only do one eyebrow for this service, and you will only do it underneath the brow and not on top because this is not salon. And that's only for if a client requests. We're doing State Board Basic Brow Soft Wax Hair Removal. The rater will now read your service as to what you're doing. You want to always listen to your rater and follow instructions. All scoring has been completed. We will now proceed to the next section of this examination. The next section is waxing service using soft wax. Please apply the assimilated wax product to one brow. You will have 10 minutes to complete this section. You will be informed when you have 5 minutes remaining. You may begin. The first thing we want to do, disinfect our table, our workstation, disinfect our work area. Make sure it is completely dry. You want to make sure it's completely dry. Again, I'm going to demonstrate from a table. As I stated before, some places or states where you are might no longer use chairs. You're going to always work on a clean area. You want to sanitize your hands before you pick up your bag off the floor, which is underneath your station, on top of your bag. So I always put my items in the order I'm going to use it. I'm going to have my eye makeup remover. What I'm going to do first is put my gloves on. Remember, I do not have to sanitize. You want to discard it. Now you want to go in and pick up your new wax sticks. Pick up your wax, close your wax pot, discard. Never leave it in. Go ahead and start applying your wax in the direction that the brow grows in. Put it on, discard your applicator. Now you want to pick up your wax strip, apply it onto your brow. You want to hold it. You want to then wipe it in the direction that it goes in. Make sure you hold it, and you're going to do it 3 to 5 times. I prefer to do it 5, therefore I know we have it. You're going to slightly lift the corner of it. You're not removing it. You're going to tug on it with 2 brows. You're going to rip it quick in the opposite direction and the way the hair grows. And then you're going to apply pressure on it and then trash. You're now going to remove your excess wax with your wax remover. Make sure you do not touch your cotton round. Discard. Remove your extra wax off the eyebrow. Clean and make sure it's completely dry. Now you want to come back and add your post wax, very little, so it can soothe the brow. Close, discard. You now want to remove and soothe the eyebrow. Clean it up. Make sure you don't leave any residue. Toss everything on your station. Trash. Remove your gloves. You wear gloves for safety to ensure that you do not contaminate anything. Spray your disinfectant. Disinfect your work area. Make sure it's completely wiped dry. I'm going to remove my hairpiece, my headdress. I am going to remove my first towel, leave my drape. Why, Miss Kirby? Because I am going to use this drape again. But I need to disinfect and clean up. I need to sanitize my hands. Step back and raise my hand to be graded. Once the rater has came and graded, you will then stand still and wait to your next service. Your next service will be what? Yes, if you guess hair cutting, you are correct. We will now move on to our hair cutting procedure. This is why we did not take off our drape, because we're going to use the same drape, because we do not cut with a towel. It helps prevent the elevation. Stay tuned for our next video with Keisha Kirby.